Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make nachos dressing. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You will need about 8 ounces of your preferred cheese, 1/4 cup of milk, and a few key spices. Choosing a good quality cheese, like sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack, makes a big difference in the final taste and texture. Ensure your workspace is ready for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Place your 8 ounces of shredded cheese and 1/4 cup of milk into a small saucepan. Heat this mixture over a low flame, stirring continuously with a whisk or spatula. This gentle heat and constant motion are crucial for achieving a perfectly smooth, velvety consistency without any lumps. It should take about 5 to 7 minutes. This is where you can truly make the dressing your own. If you prefer a thinner sauce, simply add an extra tablespoon of milk until it reaches your desired consistency. For flavor, try adding 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of cumin, or even 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. A tiny dash of cayenne pepper can also add a wonderful, subtle warmth. Your delicious, homemade nacho dressing is now ready to enjoy. Pour it generously over a pile of crispy tortilla chips. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with fresh cilantro, finely diced jalapenos, or a dollop of your favorite salsa. If you have any left, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.